If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Netflix, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your Netflix account for any verification messages. Look for any instructions or links that may help you complete the verification process. Step 2. Use the Netflix app. Open the Netflix app on your device and attempt to log in again. Sometimes, using the app can provide a smoother verification experience compared to the website. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data that may interfere with the verification process. Step 4. Try a different device. If verification continues to fail, try accessing your Netflix account from a different device. This could be a smartphone, tablet, or another computer to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Contact Netflix support. If all else fails, reach out to Netflix customer support. They can provide personalized assistance and help you verify your identity successfully. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any verification issues with your Netflix account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support for further assistance.